Hello, and welcome to Sonyabeonit channel. Today is all about just taking in nature. We decided to get out the house and just ride today. Beautiful day here in Georgia. I have my umbrella. After a certain time, I popped this umbrella up. And now it's around about 2 o'clock, so yeah. But it feels pretty good. It feels real good today. And we're just taking in the fresh air and walking the trail.
Big old waterfall.
So today is just me and my oldest. No particular place we had to go today. But sometimes you just gotta get out the house if you can. Do you hear that? How beautiful. What is it? I don't know either.
But he cut the grass over here.
Where did he go? He just disappeared. And you know what? Go back the other way, okay? We're gonna walk the other way of the trail. 'Cause back this way look like a lot of woods. That's beautiful. Oh, that's beautiful.
Damn, how that tire get right there?
Where?
What's that tire?
You know I cannot see without my glasses.
That tire on top of that.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, you see that?
Uh-uh.
Man, come on, man. We gonna go on the channel. We can take a boat ride.
Yeah. They have it where you can do that. Oh, yeah. So I'm moving, y'all. Time to keep it moving.
You gotta be down if you walk. Don't go.
This is the first I'm going.
Car go by and then get down.
Come on. Yeah, come on. Y'all see I'm all out in the woods? Nature kind of girl. Yes. I've always wanted to live the country life. Country living is what I wanted. That's what I still want. Peace and quiet, nobody around me. Go outside my door every day and just enjoy the view. Oh, now look, this is what I'm dealing with. Lord, please help me. Help me, Lord, help me. Don't that look relaxing? Why would you wear those shoes? Let me see, can I make it back up? I got my umbrella still. I'm not scared of bugs, but snakes, I ain't trying to do no snakes. Whew, okay. Yeah, this is what I had on the other day, yesterday when I went to the grocery store. I'm not even prepared for this. We just wanted to get out the house. And we said, what better way to do it than just walk a trail somewhere? Okay, so we're gonna head on further down and see what we can discover together. They need one. Yeah, right here is like I said, 1.9, almost 2 miles, not quite 2 miles. The next time I come, I'll be dressed for this kind of activity, but today I'm not. So what I would do is sit right here in this spot. Huh? It is beautiful, isn't it? I'm so glad they cut the grass right here in this spot though. So I would sit, matter of fact, right here, where the stone is, I would sit right here and we'll do the shot from right here. I hope y'all can see me. Okay, so we're gonna take it on in now, but we just wanted to take a moment out of our day to do something different. If you have a park in your area or a walking trail, take advantage of it. Just take the time out to breathe. Take in some fresh air. Right in your neighborhood. So I hope you enjoy the time we've shared together. Until next time, be blessed. Bye, y'all.